Hi all, welcome back. Let's solve few more sums on GST. Look at the first question. Goods and services are sold from Agra to Kanpur for rupees 20,000 and then Kanpur to Jaipur, that is to the other state Rajasthan. If the GST is 18% and the profit made at Kanpur is rupees 5,000, find the net GST paid at Kanpur and the CP of the goods at Jaipur. These are the two parts of the question. Here it is given that the first transaction is happening intrastate, that is from Agra to Kanpur. The transaction is taking place in the same state, that is UP to UP itself. At Agra, selling price is, services are sold. So selling price is rupees 20,000 and the GST is 18%. Here, since it is an intrastate transaction, we have to find out the CGST as well as the SGST. CGST is 9% of 20,000 and that's equal to 1,800 rupees, and SGST is equal to again 9% of 20,000, 9 by 100, and that's also 1,800 rupees. So at Agra, the selling price is rupees 20,000 and the total tax paid is 3,600. Total tax paid is equal to 3,600. That means we need to add the CGST as well as the SGST. And here the output tax is equal to rupees 3,600. As I have told you, always the output tax is calculated when the sale is happening. Here the goods and services are sold from Agra to Kanpur. Therefore, here the output tax is 3,600. Now, at Kanpur, the cost price is equal to rupees 20,000. So the services are sold from Agra to Kanpur. So Kanpur is purchasing. Therefore, the cost price is rupees 20,000. And here they are making a profit of rupees 5,000. Profit is equal to rupees 5,000. And at Kanpur, we know that the input tax is 3,600. The output tax at Agra is same as the input tax at Kanpur. Here the input tax is 3,600. Now here we have to calculate the output tax at Kanpur. So the goods and services are sold from Kanpur to Rajasthan. That is from one state to other state. Interstate transaction is happening. Therefore, the GST 18% needs to be calculated. So before calculating the GST, we need to know what is the selling price. Here the selling price, that is the goods and services are sold from Kanpur to Jaipur is 25,000 rupees. 25,000. Here the cost price at Kanpur is 20,000. The profit made at Kanpur is 5,000. Therefore, the total selling price at Kanpur is 25,000. Goods and services are sold from Kanpur to Jaipur at a rate of rupees 25,000. Now we need to calculate the output tax at Kanpur. The output tax is calculated on the selling price. Therefore, the output tax is equal to 25,000 into 18 by 100. Since the GST is 18%, the output tax is equal to 25,000 into 18 by 100. That is equal to rupees 4,500. So this is the output tax at Kanpur. The question is to find the net GST paid at Kanpur. Net GST is equal to, as you know, the net GST is the difference between the output tax and the input tax. That is same as 4,500 minus 3,600, and that is equal to rupees 900. And this is the first part of the question, the net GST paid at Kanpur, and that is equal to rupees 900. Now we have to find what is the cost price of the goods at Jaipur. The cost price of the goods at Jaipur is calculated by adding the selling price at Kanpur as well as the tax at Kanpur. So from Kanpur to Jaipur, the transaction is taking place. The selling price is 25,000 and the tax paid is 4,500. Therefore, the cost price of goods at Jaipur is 25,000 plus 4,500, and that is equal to second part of the question, and that is equal to CP at Rajasthan is 25,000 plus 4,500, and that is equal to 29,500. This is the cost price of the goods or services at Jaipur. Look at the next question. Goods sold at Rajasthan to Mumbai for rupees 20,000 and then from Mumbai to Pune. GST is 12% and at Pune a profit of rupees 5,000 is made. Find the GST paid at Pune if the dealer in Pune is the end user. This is the question. Here it is given that the goods are sold from Rajasthan to Mumbai. In the first case, interstate transaction is happening. Interstate. So we have to find the IGST, and the IGST rate is given as 12%. And then again at Mumbai, the dealer is making a profit of rupees 5,000 rupees and then it is sold to our dealer in Pune. We need to find the GST paid. So here we have to find the cost price as well as the GST paid. So in the first case, from Rajasthan to Mumbai, when the sale is happening from Rajasthan to Mumbai, the selling price at Rajasthan is equal to rupees 20,000 and the tax is 12%. Therefore, the tax is 20,000 into 12% of 100. Here in this question, it is not asked you to find the GST paid at this particular place, but to understand it clearly, I am just giving you the tax paid at this particular point. So that is equal to rupees 2,400. This is the tax paid at Rajasthan, and here the selling price is 20,000, the output tax is 2,400. Now, when we consider Mumbai, the cost price for the goods at Mumbai. At Mumbai, the cost price of the goods is rupees 20,000 itself. The cost price is same as the selling price at Rajasthan. At Rajasthan, the selling price at Rajasthan is 20,000 and the sale is happening from Rajasthan to Mumbai. Therefore, the cost price at Mumbai is rupees 20,000 itself. And in Mumbai, there is a profit of rupees 5,000 is being made. So, the profit is equal to rupees 5,000. And the goods are sold to Pune with a price of rupees 25,000. Here, the profit as well as the cost price to be added to get the selling price. Selling price is equal to 20,000 plus 5,000. And this is the selling price at Mumbai. Selling price is equal to rupees 25,000. Now here, the output tax. That is the output tax at Mumbai. Output tax at Mumbai. Since we know the output tax is calculated on the selling price, output tax at Mumbai is on 12% rate we have to calculate. Since it is happening in the same state, that is in Mumbai as well as in Pune, we have to calculate the CGST and the SGST. So CGST is 6% of the selling price, that is 25,000 into 6 by 100, and that is equal to 1500. The CGST is 1500. The SGST is also 25,000 into 6 by 100, and that's equal to 1500 rupees. So we got the total tax. The output tax is equal to 1500 plus 1500, and that is equal to rupees 3000. We have to add the CGST as well as the SGST to get the total tax, total GST paid at Mumbai. Here, this is the output tax, and this output tax is same as the input tax for the dealer in Pune. Here also we found the output tax as rupees 2400, and this was the input tax for the dealer in Mumbai, and after while making a sale for 25,000 rupees, we found the output tax as rupees 3000, that is at Mumbai. The output tax at Mumbai is same as the input tax for the dealer in Pune. Therefore, the input tax for the dealer in Pune is rupees 3000. He has to make a tax payment of rupees 3000 with a price 25,000 for the goods sold from Mumbai to Pune. And here Pune is the end user. Therefore, he cannot sell the goods to the other person, and there is not output tax can be calculated in Pune. Therefore, only one tax can be calculated in Pune. Therefore, the GST paid at Pune is rupees 3000. If the goods were sold from Pune to the other place, then again we could calculate the output tax, and the difference between these two could have been the net GST paid. But here it is clearly given that Pune is the end user, so there is no output tax can be charged. Therefore, the GST paid at Pune is rupees 3000. Now this question is for you. Solve it and let me know the answer. A dealer in UP supplies goods or services worth rupees 50,000 to some other dealer Y in the same city. Now the dealer Y supplies the same goods or services to dealer Z in Kolkata at a profit of rupees 20,000. Find the output and input tax for the dealer Y and the net GST payable by the dealer Y, given the rate of GST is 28%. Solve it and let me know the answer. That's all for today. We'll meet in the next class with a different topic. Thank you.